welcome to 2021. It's so great to be back. This is my first video of the year. I took a few weeks off towards the end of last year just to rest and recuperate. As some of you may know, I have many hats. So I'm a child protection social worker. I'm studying at the moment to be a coach. I have an online network marketing business that I do, and I also do YouTube. So I think it's really important to recharge and rest. And then I've decided that this year I am going to start the year off with a detox. I started actually on the 28th of December, and I just felt like 2020 was quite a heavy year for a lot of people. I had a lot of personal issues I was dealing with. I was dealing with, a couple of health issues, emotional issues, and then we had, the thing that the whole world was, dealing with. I don't want to mention it on here because I'm sure we've heard enough about it, but a lot of people were dealing with that as well. And 2020 was quite a stressful, heavy year for a lot of people. So I thought, what best way to start the new year other than, detoxing and just getting out all of those, bad feelings, emotions, ill health, just getting it out of the system, renewing my spirit and starting afresh. So what I'm actually doing is a fruit detox, and I'm really loving it so far. Like I say, I've been doing it since the 28th of December. I've lost about 1 stone in weight. My skin is glowing. I have tons and tons of energy, and I feel really, really good. So what I'm doing is basically I'm just eating fruit and drinking a lot of water. So here's a little example of a meal of mine. I've got strawberries in here. I've got cherries, blackberries, blueberries. I take bananas, mangoes, dates, and I'm really just exploring and trying out new fruits. I also take some herbs and some leafy greens as well. And I take some supplements and also some essential oils as well, because I sell essential oils and I'm taking some of them, really good quality ones. And what I've noticed is that I'm really, really starting to feel like myself again. I'm feeling more vibrant, I have more energy, and clothes are starting to fit again. So I really, really feel empowered doing this, and I just wanted to share with you what I'm doing and my journey. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing it for, but I'm going to kind of go with how I feel. So as soon as it doesn't feel right anymore, then I'll stop. So that could be a few weeks or it could be a few months, but I just wanted to share my journey, one, so that people know what I'm doing. And then two, if you feel like doing something like this, you can also get involved as well. And three, so you can keep me accountable, because I know it's probably going to be a bit tough some days. So, I have a great community of people, and, you can help me keep accountable. So I'm just going to quickly show you some of my day yesterday. I went out yesterday on the search for fruit, because the thing is, when you're doing a detox like this, you have to have a lot of fruit. You can't just have one or two, because they're quite low in calories, and they have fructose in there, so it's a good sugar, but you do need to eat a lot of fruit, to keep your energy levels up and to get the benefits of it as well, and drink a lot of water. So I'll show you a little video of me going out and about, just so you see what I'm up to. And I also just want to take this opportunity just to thank everybody who supported me. I started my channel in November last year, and I've had tons of support from a lot of you guys. I'm so grateful for each and every person that has subscribed, that has commented, that has liked. So God bless you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hi guys, so I'm outside the farmer's market and I'm going to get a few bits and bobs for my for the food that I'm going to be eating, so I'll take you along with me.
But the little signs are quite pretty too, aren't they?
Yeah, this is beautiful actually. Do you do what's it, coriander?
Sometimes.
You've not got any today?
It's lovely.
Okay. Or is it cross lettuce or Roman lettuce?
Again, sometimes we're a small farm, we've got what we've got, it's all very seasonal.
Okay, so it's just what's like. Okay, I'll have a look. Thank you. So I've just been to the farmer's market. It's really, really cold outside. I can't feel my fingers. I didn't get anything from the market because obviously it's the middle of winter and they bring in fresh and seasonal produce and there's not much. There wasn't any fruit and there was a lot of vegetables, which I'm not taking at the moment. I'm mainly on fruits and certain salads as well. So I quickly had a look around and there's other shops that I bought a few bits and bobs from, but I'm going to focus mainly on getting my stuff from Whole Foods and from the supermarket because, you know, I've bought some things from there before and they've been okay. So I'll stick to that for now. So I have just been to Waitrose. I didn't see what I wanted to buy in the market, so I've had to go into Waitrose and get some fruit, and I got some herbs and stuff from a different shop. So I'll show you what I've got when I get back in. Okay. So I'm back home now. I'm going to quickly show you what I bought from the shop. So let's go and have a look. So as you can see, I have bought quite a lot of fruit. The fruit is really, really good for detoxing the body. And I think you may have seen a little bunch of cilantro or coriander, and that's really good for lifting heavy metals out of the system as well. So that's why I've got that there. So now I am preparing my fruit. I like to give it a good wash in some clean water, make sure all the grit and the dirt is gone. And sometimes I use a special fruit wash to clean it, especially if I've got herbs and lettuce and things like that, which has some dirt and grit. I want to get it all off. So now I am plating up my fruits, and this will be for one meal. So I make sure I've got a variety in there. So berries are really, really good for detoxing. So I've got strawberries, blackberries, cherries, blueberries. So I will enjoy that. Clean water. So that was just an example of some of the salads that I'm having on this detox. But another thing to mention is water. I live in London, so the quality of the water is not all that great. So I purchased this water distiller from Amazon, and it takes out all the rubbish, and I'm able to have good, clean water. So I make sure that I have about a gallon a day. So this little bottle here is 2 liters. So I'll fill that up twice, which is roughly a gallon, and I make sure I drink it because it's really good to detox the body, clean the cells, and just, get everything moving. So it's really important to make sure you have your water on this detox. So I was just editing the video and I realized I didn't do an ending. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do comment below and let me know, what are you doing to start off the new year? Are you doing your own fast? What is working for you? What is not working for you? Have you tried a fruit detox before? What were your results when you did try it? Yeah, please do comment below, and also if you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.